Howdy, this is Fire Medic, and we're going to do a review on the GearPods burner that I won at the Spring Swing in Huntington Beach, South Carolina. Please bear with me, this is the first time I'm really ever trying to shoot a video and do a review on something. Just let you know, for safety's sake, first time, and after watching Gresh, I don't want to burn anything up. I want to be safe. So just in case we have Greshification, I'm doing this at the fire department. And yes, Greshification is going to be a new word. But anyways, GearPods. This is a little instruction book that comes with it. It's kind of a really neat setup. Kind of a sealed up thing. Take one out the bottom too, I reckon. Well, there we go. That's a little setup in itself. You got the cup. Cup's got a little sippy lid on it. It helps if you're not retarded trying to open the thing up. Inside there's got the windscreen, a little pop grabber. There's the stove, almost like one of the little beer can stoves. There's the stove holder. Supposedly you can put the SBIT tablets on there or whatever. It opens up just like that. Says you could put your fuel in there. Dripped a little bit in the bottom there, but that's okay because it's supposed to go in that little bottom tray. It kind of helps to prime, they say. I also say to maybe a little splash or two on the top. Oh, that was a little more than a splash, so maybe we might have some Greshification. I'll move that out the way. Wipe that up real quick. Go ahead and light it up. I don't know if you can see it or not. Reach over here, turn this light out real quick. Go ahead and put a little water in there. It says that, uh-oh, it went out. Maybe it's just a little too cool in here. Oh, that's what Greshification is. That's just a little small sample of it, though. We've got a little balloon going. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get a little bit of water. And, well, I mean, y'all know the the old Solo Cup. So
Red Solo Cup, I fill you up. Let's have a party. Let's have a party.
yeah, my second type of humor there. That's a 20-ounce cup. Filled it up about halfway, and supposedly this cup right here holds about, says the cook mug holds 9.5 ounces. So I'm just gonna put it up there like that. And we'll give it a few minutes. Actually, we will put the timer on. This is the way the windscreen's supposed to work. Just kind of unravel it, put it together like that. Then it'll just go over the sides like that. But seeing as we don't have any wind, we will leave it off. We will pause for station identification. We're going ahead and cranking it up a little more, just so you can see the bloom on it. We're at 142. Well, I didn't fill it up all the way, and right at about the 3 minute and something mark, closer to 4 minutes, the stove went out. So I'm going to go ahead and put some more juice in there, see what happens. Okay, here we go. We got it cranked up again, and I'm going to test something out. This is getting scientific. I'm breaking out the tick. Right now, that stove is cooking about, you see the numbers bounce around, it's somewhere around 500 degrees. So that thing's kicking pretty good. You can move up there, the pot's almost to boiling already. It's bouncing around, but that's where all the heat is. It keeps changing colors because I'm using the pointer to, point it somewhere else. I don't know if y'all can read it or not, but right up there on the upper right hand side is where the temperature is. But that's 6 minutes and having to start it all up all over again too. So that's pretty jam up. I guess it'll work. And by the way, TIC stands for Thermal Imaging Camera. So if y'all have a local fire department that's asking for donations so they can buy one, it works because you can find a body in smoke that you can't see out of.